In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal landing page on card.co. We'll build a clean, professional splash page you can share anywhere, and we'll keep it fast, simple, and mobile friendly. To get started, log into Card, click New Site, and open Templates. Browse to the landing page or personal categories and pick a design that fits your style. Templates are a huge time saver because they come pre-built with sections, spacing, and responsive settings that look great on phones right out of the box. Don't worry about choosing the perfect one immediately. You can swap designs or tweak anything later. Now customize your content, click the headline, and type your name or brand so it's unmistakable. Beneath that, add a short description or tagline that explains who you are or what you do in a sentence or two. Keep it clear and benefit focused. If the template includes a profile image, replace it with a high quality headshot or logo. Square images usually crop well, and a simple background keeps the page tidy. Next, set up your buttons. Link them to your key destinations, your social profiles, portfolio, newsletter, or a way to contact you. Label each button precisely and test every link. If you want a contact option, a mail link works great, or you can point to an existing contact page. With your content in place, style the page. Adjust colors to match your personal brand, or pick one accent color to create focus. Prioritize contrast so text is easy to read. Choose fonts that are clean and legible. Pairing a bold heading with a simple body font keeps things professional. Fine-tune spacing by giving elements room to breathe. A minimal, uncluttered layout helps visitors instantly understand what to click and where to go. When everything looks right, it's time to publish. Click Publish, review the preview, and select a URL. You can use a card subdomain, or if you've already upgraded, connect a custom domain. Add a site title and description so your page appears clearly in search results and link previews. Do a quick mobile check to confirm the layout and buttons feel great on smaller screens, then publish. Share your link on social profiles, email signatures, and anywhere people discover your work. The best part is you can come back anytime to update text, switch images, or add new links as your goals evolve. That's it, your personal landing page on Card is live and ready to share.